Question 16. This one's going to be relatively quick. On the set of axes below, rectangle ABCD can be proven congruent to rectangle KLMN using which transformation? So translation kind of right away we can cross off. It's not in the same orientation. There's no way just a translation is going to get it. Reflection over the y, kind of similarly, if I reflect b over the y over here, that's not mapping onto any other point on KLMN. So that's not it. So it's not translation, it's not reflection over the y-axis. Now we're left with rotation or reflection over the x-axis. Well, if I take a look, here's my x-axis. If I try reflecting over it, that means I go the distance it takes me to get to the x-axis, the same distance on the other side. So I went 1, and I'm going to continue 1 over. The C maps perfectly onto it. The B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 5 over here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the opposite side, a reflection. This is all going to work out. N, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And A to K, 1, 2, 1. So the reflection over the x-axis is looking pretty good. The only thing you need to do for this is convince yourself, why does rotation not work? And there's kind of a couple ways you can do that. One thing that's really cool is to get a piece of kind of see-through paper, patty paper that you maybe put hamburger buns on is a really good way to build up this skill. I can do it because I have this light box underneath. I can do it with just any old piece of paper. I can draw a shape on top of some other shape and see if by rotation I can map it onto it. And just try practicing this a couple times, get some patty paper, and you'll be able to kind of build up some of your visual skills by using this aid. But I don't have any on me right now, and I don't have the regions printed out. So for this, I mean, if you try to imagine, yeah, they are congruent, but I feel like I would need to first do some sort of translation, some slide, and then rotate it. The other way you can think of it is, all right, well, this is B at 1, 5. If I rotate it, let's go counterclockwise 90 degrees, it'll come down to over here, -5, 1. So it's at 1, 5. So it'll be -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. B doesn't map onto anything. I rotate it again, so that was a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. I rotate it again, it'll be at -1, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -5. Here's another 90-degree rotation of B. So this was like B prime. Here's after 180 degree, I'll try this as B prime prime. This doesn't map onto anybody. I go again, it'll be 5, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes off the grid. It's over here. Go another 90 degrees counterclockwise. So no matter how I rotate this B, it never maps onto any other points. So even with just that, I can see, oh, rotation doesn't work. It would need to be a translation, then a rotation for it to work. So I'm left with my correct answer here is 3, a reflection over the x-axis.